Hello friends, my name is Shashank and welcome back to my channel Corporate Guy, and with this video we are continuing with our 3 video series on PSP. And in the previous video we talked about the basic introduction about PSP, what is PSP and what are the cost structure, what is the fee structure and all these things, right? But today in this video we are going to talk about why on earth a person should spend 40,000 rupees to get the PSP certification. And I have 5 major reasons which have motivated me, which have pushed me to get this certification, and I'm going to share those reasons with you, right? But before that, let me announce one thing, that for all those PSP aspirants who are preparing for the PSP or planning for the PSP, I have prepared an online mock test for the PSP aspirants. You can get it on Udemy. The link is mentioned in the description box and you can get it, and it is a lifetime access, right? So and with that, let's continue with the video. So the number one reason why you should go for the certification is it helps you to build your knowledge base, right? So the question is that why do you need to build a knowledge base? Because for all those security professionals who don't have any formal education or training in the field of physical security or the corporate security, I think for all those people, PSP is the best option to build your knowledge base, to get the in-depth understanding of the fundamental concepts of physical and corporate security. Because PSP is a mix. It's a mix of physical security, electronic security and project management. So if you combine all these things, you will build your knowledge base, and that can help you to elevate your career, right? So that was the reason number one. So the reason number two is that it helps you to steer your career into a new direction, right? For all those people who are coming from the core physical security, let me tell you one thing, that core physical security will not be there in the upcoming years. You have to be very knowledgeable in not only in the physical security concepts, but also in the electronic security and the cyber security. So if you are planning to sustain in this VUCA world, where there is a continuously change or improvement coming on in the field of security, you have to take action right now, and that action is this certification, because this will help you to steer your career into a new direction. You can either go into the project management after doing the certification, you can go into the electronic security, you can go into the automation, you can go into the cyber security, right? So this certification will build a base for you to change your direction from the core physical security to the integrated security, right? So that is the number one. Number two, so the number third reason is it helps you to elevate your career. So why it helps you to elevate your career? Because when you get certified through PSP, you will be expected more in your positions, in your roles, in your responsibilities, right? And there is no doubt that when you appear for the interviews, you will be given an edge over the other candidates who don't have these certifications. And after you get selected, you will be expected more. And when you are expected more, you will be given more responsibilities. And when you get more responsibilities, you get more exposure. And you will have the opportunities to handle projects from the planning phase to the execution to the commissioning phase. You will understand how to plan a new project, how to implement it, how to conduct risk assessments, how to buy things, how to procure things, how to select vendors, and how to manage everything which has been expected from you, right? So it will help you to elevate your career and get recognized in your organization, right? And the number fourth, obviously, if you get new job opportunities, your financial growth will also increase. So if you have a goal in your mind that yes, in the next 3 to 5 years, I want to see my financial status at that level, you should take action right now. And that action is this certification, PSP. So go for this certification, and please do not have any single doubt in your mind that you won't get good opportunities and this will be a waste of time or money, because it will not. Because the number fifth reason is going to answer that. This is a need of time. if you go into any website, right, of the internationally working industries like Amazon, Flipkart, right, or any other industries, they are specifically asking for these two certifications, the CPP and PSP. So this is the need of the time. You have to take action right now, because if you don't, you will stay behind. And you know, people are right now are working on FOMO. FOMO is a full form, can be fear of missing out. People are doing this certification just because they are afraid that they will be left behind if they don't do this certification. So do it right now when you have the opportunity, when you have the time, money and energy. So these were all the 5 major reasons which I wanted to give you, so that you can decide whether you want to go for the certification or not. And if you have decided to go for the certification, or if you are already preparing, just let me know in the comment section that yes, in the next coming 3 or 4 months, I will earn this PSP certification. Right? So if you are one of them and you want my help in clearing your PSP, I am already available for you anytime. I have already prepared a very budget-friendly online mock test for you guys. So just go and check it out and help yourself to clear this PSP certification. So that's all for today's video. And in my third video, we will be talking about how to prepare for the PSP, because I have seen people spending a lot of money, not only in your for the examination fees, but also they are spending thousands for all external coachings, but still they are not able to clear it. So we will talk about how to clear it without any external coachings or any external resources, which I think is a waste of time and money. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.